This looks like Santorini, but it's America. White houses glowing under blue skies, sunlight bouncing off every wall, and narrow stone streets winding uphill with ocean views everywhere. Every corner feels European. Every step feels unreal. Blue rooftops, white balconies, and quiet paths by the sea. Be honest, did this fool you at first? Yes or no? Because this isn't Greece. It's hidden right here in the United States, inspired by Greek island life. No loud crowds, no chaos, just calm, coastal living. Mornings begin with sea breeze and coffee by the water, boats drifting slowly in the distance. And when sunset arrives, the sky turns gold. The walls glow white and blue, and everything feels magical. Would you vacation here? Comment. Save this for later. Follow for more hidden Europe in America.